St. Louis lost a major court battle today that could blow a big hole in the city budget. An appeals court ruled remote workers who live outside city limits are entitled to a refund for paying a 1% earnings tax. Our political editor Mark Maxwell is live in St. Louis with more on how you can claim that refund.
Yeah, Kelly, that's the big question facing city tax collector Greg Daly. Will his office update the forms so that people can claim those refunds? And if so, how far back can people go to claim them?
Inside this office, you'll find a number of these tax forms.
If you don't ask for a refund, you're not going to get it.
Before the pandemic,
People have been teleworking for years.
some people who traveled or dialed in for work would claim a refund on the earnings tax because their work was not performed or rendered in the city.
It adds up. It's 1% out of every paycheck.
We met Rachel outside the city tax office and asked her what that extra money might mean to her family.
That might let you save for a house. That might help put kids through college. It would help a lot because you can save it instead of spending it.
But something changed at City Hall during the pandemic.
It was really a money grab.
When thousands more people started working from home, suddenly the forms changed.
During COVID, they changed the forms and explicitly told people you cannot get refunds for teleworking days. And so we're hoping in light of this decision, the collector changes those forms so that people can pursue their lawful refunds.
One corporate banker who had claimed that refund for years was suddenly denied. He sued. He and 5 other remote workers won in appeals court Tuesday morning. Their attorneys Beavis Schock and Mark Milton celebrated their win in a Clayton press conference.
The collector of revenue is not a policymaker. The IRS, the head of the IRS doesn't go out and say, hey, we're going to start doing X, Y, and Z because this nation needs more money. His function is to collect the taxes that are legally owed.
According to our news partners at the St. Louis Business Journal, the city has already spent more than $200,000 just on outside lawyers alone to try and win this case. Now they've lost, and the city could be on the hook for millions more. Live downtown, Mark Maxwell, 5 on your side.